In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 step by step. We will create a bootable USB using both Rufus and Ventoy. Compare the two tools, boot from the USB and install Windows 11. I will show you how to bypass the Windows 11 internet requirement during setup. Let's get started. First, go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 ISO image. Make sure you choose the correct version and language. Next, download Rufus from its official website. Rufus is a lightweight tool that allows you to create bootable USB drives easily. Open Rufus, select your USB drive carefully. Make sure you choose the correct drive because it will be formatted. Now select the Windows 11 ISO file, click Start. Here's something interesting about Rufus. When creating a Windows 11 bootable USB, Rufus gives you special options. Allows you to remove the Windows 11 requirements such as TPMP 2.0 requirement, secure boot requirement, RAM requirement. It also allows you to skip the Microsoft account requirement, privacy questions, and even preset things like username and region. This is very powerful, especially if you are installing Windows 11 on an older computer. After selecting your preferred options, click OK and wait for the process to finish. That's how you create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. Now let me show you another powerful tool, Ventoy. Go to the official Ventoy website. From there, you'll be redirected to SourceForge to download the latest version. Download the correct version for your system. After downloading, extract the Ventoy files. Open the Ventoy application. Normally, if you're installing it for the first time, you would select your USB drive and click Install. But in my case, my USB already had Ventoy installed, so instead of installing, I just updated it to the latest version. Updating keeps your existing ISO files intact. With Ventoy, you don't need to recreate the USB every time. You simply copy the Windows 11 ISO file directly into the USB drive. You can even store multiple ISO files, Windows, Linux, or other tools, and choose which one to boot from. That's one of the biggest advantages of Ventoy. Now I move to the HP laptop, insert the USB drive. Turn on the laptop and immediately press F9 to open the boot menu. Important, the boot key is different depending on your computer brand. For example, HP usually uses F9, Dell often uses F12, Lenovo may use F12 or F10. If you're unsure, just search online boot menu key for your laptop model. From the boot menu, select the USB drive and press enter. For demonstration purposes, I'm showing you the installation process inside the virtual machine, but this works the same way. Once the Windows setup screen appears, select your language and keyboard layout. Click Next, then click Install Now. Choose Custom Installation. If you're doing a fresh installation, you can delete existing partitions. Be careful, this will erase all data. Select the unallocated space and click Next. Windows will now start installing. At some point, Windows 11 may require you to connect to the internet. If you don't want to connect, here's what to do. Press Shift plus F10. This opens command prompt. Type the following command: OOBE /bypassnro. Press enter. The computer will restart. After restarting, you will now see the option I don't have internet. Click it, then choose Continue with limited setup. Enter your username, set your password, adjust your privacy settings, and wait for Windows to finish setting up. And that's it. You now have Windows 11 successfully installed. From here, you can install drivers, run Windows Update, and start installing your applications. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe. I create practical tech tutorials from Windows to Linux and cloud computing. See you in the next video.